To you, I'm Lauren Elise, and we're happy you're with us tonight. We start tonight with the trial we've been covering all week for you. A jury is deciding the fate of former Leon County Sheriff's Deputy Mark Thompson. ABC 27's Abby Phillips has been following this one for us. Abby, what do we know right now?
Hey, Lauren, we know the jury has just started deliberating in the trial of Mark Thompson. Since the final day of trial today ran so late in the evening, the jury is now deciding whether they can make their decision on the verdict of Thompson tonight or if they want to wait until next week. Mark Thompson's fate now lies in the hands of the jury. Jurors have listened to witness testimony over the past 5 days, and Thursday the attorneys had their chance to try and convince the jury of their side of the case. In closing arguments, the state's prosecuting attorney showed pictures of Ellen's injuries, saying her injuries are evident of assault and battery.
There's no way he exhausted every reasonable means to escape this danger. Self-defense doesn't mean you get to pick a fight, and then when someone fights back, you get to claim, okay, self-defense.
The defense attorney says Mark Thompson acted out of self-defense and was capable of doing worse.
If you can meet deadly force with deadly force, anything less is authorized by law, as well as even the full extreme, when you defend yourself or act out of necessity.
Closing arguments wrapped up close to 5 Thursday night, and now it's up to the jurors to decide the fate of Mark Thompson. Now jurors will decide whether to find Thompson guilty of charges including kidnapping, aggravated battery with bodily harm, aggravated assault with a firearm, and battery. No word yet on whether the jury will continue to deliberate into the night. Now, if Thompson is found guilty, the judge will most likely set a later date for his sentencing. Lauren and Cass, now to you.
All right, Abby, thank you. We are over here obviously talking about weather. And before we get to it, I do want to tell folks we've had several reports of accidents along Interstate 10, also down trees on Appalachia Parkway, Highway 319. So if you are heading out because of this weather, please be careful and maybe stay at home if you don't have to head out.
Yeah, if it's not essential to be out for the next couple of hours.